clarity is expected, intelligence sets it apart. This is the Bravo6T-BDX, a rugged first focal plane rifle scope with a digital eTRAK elevation turret that delivers fast, repeatable adjustments with absolute confidence. The integrated digital heads-up display feeds you current dial position, shoot-to distance, wind holds, and atmospheric inputs, all calculated by onboard sensors and powered by Applied Ballistics. With SIG SAUER's HDX optical system, you get a bright, razor-sharp image coupled with real-time ballistic data. Every Bravo6T-BDX comes equipped with the Alpha 5 diving board mount, offering a stable, low-profile platform for weapon-mounted rangefinders or other accessories. No guesswork, just results. The Bravo6T-BDX from SIG SAUER.